So I'm feeling disappointed. I'm feeling insulted. Anything else that you're feeling?
Let down. Feeling like
We are sitting here in Bondi having dinner. We've had some beautiful views and some chicken. And we've got some leftover nuggets that we didn't want. And we just threw this to a bird and...
to a carnivore, to a mag.
And the little bastard just flew off, leaving the nugget on the ground right there. So my thinking is that the birds around here in Bondi stick to a strict diet of kale, raw vegan food, and I'm going to test this theory on some pigeons over here. See if the pigeons are wankers too. What a wanker. They actually don't eat chicken around. So get this, I just offered a pigeon a chicken nugget, knocked me back.